Hey, include your audio. Hey, include your audio. I'm streaming. Include your audio. I'm streaming. Yeah. Check the party. No? Hold on. How about now? Included. You know how funny this would be to watch it back?
Incriminated my fucking
Oh shit, my life. Cooper, don't dare lick my drink.
Include your audio, Jet.
You just called us. What did you just fucking
What the fuck did you say?
say?
I said Jet. Now include your freaking audio.
I've included mine, you little gypsy.
Well, hurry up and join. Oh, there you are.
I've already joined you, fucking spat Christ.
I already go. Fucking spanner man.
Kelsey, how do you deal with these guys? Christ.
I just limit my
She has
exposure
guts.
to like twice a month, and then it's not so bad.
Dude, she has guts, man. She has balls of steel, man. We're
More
vibing.
balls than any of them men in this party.
Not.
Yeah, even Ryan, because Ryan's not even here. He's over there playing freaking Halo Infinite.
Ryan's been castrated.
Oh, has he, Bob?
Alright.
Has he?
Can I?
No,
Can I watch?
said you have been castrated.
Wait, can I watch? Wait, can I watch? I wanna watch.
Makes no
Let me
fucking
watch.
sense. I'm drunk and I still know that makes no fucking sense.
Moving on swiftly. Come on, Max.
Max?
Let him up. No, Cooper's up. No, let Max up, because Cooper's up. Max, come on. Don't listen to him. Come on, Max. Good boy. Don't be
Whoa.
horrid. Cooper's up. Don't be
Dog like
fucking
that.
mean. Exactly.
That's rude.
Don't lick me. But you sit here.
Max is a cunt. You understand that.
Max, it's nice to Ryan next time Ryan come out.
Bob and Ryan, please include your audio, man.
No.
Yeah, Bob.
I'm saying please. You wanna be nice or not?
Please, Bob.
This is why freaking Joe's gonna beat you in the head with the bricks.
Oh, Bob.
Include the audio. Include
Think
your
that's
dad.
that one.
Maybe you will include your audio. Please do so. Yeah, I wish you would. Now include the audio,
No,
you
fuck
freaking
off.
midget.
Oh, he's called you a midget, Bob.
I'm the same fucking height as you. I don't want to hear it.
You are nowhere near the same height as me.
What height are you?
What height are you?
Yeah, what fucking height are you? Go on.
What height are you?
What height are you?
What
height are
are
you?
you?
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up, you retard.
No one can beat Ryan on height.
Yeah, my height of 6'2".
Actually, yes, there's someone we do know that can beat his height. Jacob.
Jacob.
He's
That's
6'4".
terrifying.
He is.
I mean,
Jacob's
right
gonna be the
here.
tallest.
I know
He's
someone who
short.
can beat Jacob's height.
Aiden.
Not you.
Exactly, Aiden.
How tall
Aiden's
is Aiden?
not here
He's
right now.
6'5", isn't he?
He's the green giant.
No, he's Stephen
Yeah,
Merchant. He's Stephen
6'5",
Merchant,
though.
guys. You guys need to
I
remember
don't
that.
fucking
Stephen
know.
Merchant from Texas.
Hey Bob, include your audio. I swear to God,
I
might get
did you
racist.
vagina!
Oh!
How can I be sure? How can I be for sure? If I go back to the stream and your audio is not included, I'm gonna be rude.
I'm gonna get racist.
I'm
no,
gonna be.
I guarantee it.
I'm gonna be rude.
Do it.
Who's with me on this
Do
anyway?
it.
You won't.
I won't.
No, I'm not with.
Wait, who is this? Who's
Who's
don't-
with me?
Me, that's me.
Is it you or am I with
Is it me?
Wait.
Kelsey?
Who's
Are
the
you-
guy?
don't
Who's the
know.
guy?
Oh,
Who's the
I'm
white guy?
I'm the
Joe.
guy, motherfucker.
Joe.
Okay, I'm
You're
with
the white guy?
Kelsey.
Dude, why am I with you,
Okay.
man?
He's near us. I heard his little chainsaw.
I paid this
We gotta
fight
get-
once. I'm sorry, Kelsey,
You're
if
with
I'm
me
terrible.
because you tried to twerk on me
I'm
again.
terrible too. It's okay.
Oh
Sorry.
no!
Okay, we gotta get an unlock tool, and we
Yeah, I
gotta
told
get
you,
out.
he's trying to twerk on me.
Oh my god, not this
I
again.
feel like I'm gonna let Kelsey
Hey, look at me, look at me,
down.
look.
No, I let my
I'm-
shot down. You're fine.
I'm getting these bones.
Look at me, look at me, look at me!
I'm
I
actually
don't
kind of glad
wanna-
Bob.
Here's the
No.
Here's the thing.
Sorry.
That's
That would be
Bubba! That's
Bubba.
Bubba!
That would be Bubba.
That's Bubba! You finally
Okay,
beat him,
Bubba
that's
is
Bubba.
chasing them.
I'll
No
stop
problem.
that
Bubba, you
bitch.
get to meet
I
Bubba.
swear.
Okay, I got it. I got a tool. Okay.
Stop that bitch.
Okay, Joe, tell me to see a blue door. I need a blue door.
Follow you.
There should be one around here.
My life.
I see it. I see it. I see it. Wait, don't move. Don't move. Oh god. I hear it. I
sorry.
hear it. You hear him? He's so scary. Okay. You know what?
Sorry.
Bob is being chased, so I think we could probably just.
You guys can celebrate.
We can just go.
I'm gonna leave Damien for dead.
Alright, I'm gonna unlock
I
this
left
door.
you.
What are you
I just left you.
mean?
I left you.
I'm
No,
gonna
I
open
left-
the
like,
door
I'm
and
gonna-
I
use
left,
the phone
I
ring.
left you,
I
bitch.
left you, bitch.
No, I left you.
I left you. Turn on.
No, I left you.
I turned
Fuck
on a
my
light.
life.
Nice.
No, I don't like that. What is that? Oh shit. No.
Now you have to deal with Bubba.
Bubba.
Oh my fucking god.
Dude, I had that door almost unlocked.
I want to see some unlockable tools. I swear, if I get fucking stabbed, I'm gonna scream as loud as I can.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Exactly, Ryan. Oh god.
I got the tools. Oh, who's this?
Oh, here's Damien, the fucking little bitch.
Yeah,
Shit,
your
door
mom.
open.
Guys.
Oh,
It's Guam.
Watch this.
Aw.
Watch this. Look. I opened the door. I did something useful. What have you done?
Yeah, you also fucking alerted on your bitch.
Yeah, you did it first.
You did it first. You just did it again.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You ran for the phone, you bitch.
Stop following me. Go away.
oh fuck
You
no.
fuck off.
Can you guys calm down?
You calm down.
Yeah, you fucking
You're
calm
being
down.
toxic.
You're yelling at us, Joe.
Yeah, fucking
I've
Joe.
been screaming this entire time.
You're scaring me, Joe.
Good.
Good.
So
Bubba's
bad.
behind me.
Good. Let him kill you.
No, he's coming for you, actually.
Wow.
He's coming for me. Well, I'm not. I don't see him.
He's actually sees you. He sees you right now. I'm not even joking.
He sees me right now.
Yeah, he's running for you.
Uh huh. Where am I? Do you see me where I'm at? Where am I?
Actually, I'm sliced.
I
I'm
saw
me
someone.
dead.
He's running back. He's gone back inside.
We never
Stupid
should
little
come
re-
here.
What were you gonna say, Bob?
Stupid little dickheads.
Yeah, but what are you gonna say?
Yeah, Bob. What were you really gonna say? Are you confirming for us that you're racist?
Oh, he doesn't really need to confirm it.
Yeah, true. I don't know why you're gonna ask that question. I need to pee. Bob, open your mouth.
Damien cheating.
Right, you never give me attention.
No,
That's not an excuse for cheating.
You know what, Ryan? We
No.
do tomorrow.
No!
Not much currently.
Joe's gonna
Hey, you wanna play Minecraft later
die.
on?
Oh, Bob! I just heard a chainsaw.
Joe's
Alright.
gonna die.
Oh, what? Sorry?
Yeah, so you want to do Minecraft later on then?
Tomorrow, probably, yeah. Oh yeah, we can do some Guardian
Oh,
farming.
fuck!
Yeah.
Will we get
No.
like Kelsey in that as
No.
well, or is she gonna cancel me
No,
again?
please. No, 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 no,
Ooh,
no,
me.
no, no, no,
Kelsey?
no, go away.
Ah, see someone! Help!
There's a chainsaw
Okay,
dude at the
sorry,
exit.
my
There's a
mom was
chainsaw
talking
dude
to
at
me.
the exit.
Um,
No one goes
what-
there.
Kelsey.
what's going
You want to join me and Ryan for Minecraft tomorrow later?
on? I'm not sure, like, specifically what time I'll be, like, around.
Will I be asleep?
Probably not, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I've got family doing anything or what.
Or I should get cancelled again?
Ooh!
Ryan, as soon as I text you of getting ready to get on, that's when, because I can't give you the exact time, but just be ready for a text message saying, "Yo, I'm on."
Well, I need to like do groceries and things. But
I think it would be
Who's this?
like in the afternoon,
Is that...
like sometime late afternoon is when
scared.
I'll probably be on.
Kelsey,
It's okay.
probably.
It's okay. I got a fuse that I need to use.
Did you hear, Ryan?
So
Me and
Oh, what's
Kelsey
that?
I
got
need to get
attacked.
over here.
I said I might be on
Me
like
and
late
Kelsey got
afternoon.
attacked. That's probably Kelsey.
Yeah.
Late afternoon my time.
That's left
Okay.
it.
Yeah, that's a fucking bitch.
Yeah, well, you first.
At the exit though, there was Leatherface.
I've got a
Where he's
little
gone.
tool to unlock
I'm literally at the
this.
exit. but I-
Bubba.
No, Leatherface.
Bubba,
Was at the
that's
exit,
his
but I
name.
don't have anything
Bubba's a
to
little
get out the
dickhead.
door. Okay?
Yeah, he looks just like you too, Bob.
Because I ran. No, 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 shit. No, 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 no. Don't come out here, people. If anyone's trying to get out of the exit, please don't come out yet. There's an enemy. I think it's Leatherface.
You're the enemy.
Oh, frick. He
Oh,
saw
God.
I
it.
hear
yeah.
a bloody
He saw us.
chainsaw. No, he didn't.
I think he saw it.
Whoever that is, Derp, are
No,
you near the
He didn't
exit?
see me.
Okay, he didn't see us. Okay.
I don't know where I'm at.
What's this little thing
Derp, are
over
you near
here?
a car?
Okay, listen.
Right
I've got a
close
fuse
to
for
no.
this.
I
Oh,
am
you
not.
got a tool. Okay, good, good, good. Okay,
I am
unlock
not
that.
near a car, no.
Derp, please tell
I've
me you're
got
near a
you.
car, because you're about to get us Steve!
I'm gonna repair
Derp!
it.
I am
my back.
not! I'm not! I'm
Who's
saying
in the
no! Are you
car?
deaf?
Who's in the
I
car?
bet you it's Bob. I bet you it's
No,
Bob.
that's an enemy! They found John, run!
No!
What?
No, that was a girl!
Yeah,
that was
that's
a survivor!
Sissy! Sissy?
I swear
Sussy?
that was a survivor.
No, that's the one, that's the enemy.
Oh, Christ. There was someone going in the
gotta-
car.
There's a girl enemy.
Who's wearing black? No one.
Girl enemy.
Yeah.
It's Leatherface. Leatherface is generally at the fucking gate that you escape.
Alright, here we go.
Why
here we
would Leatherface
Alright, exit
be
open,
hanging
guys.
out with it if it
I
was one of ours?
don't know.
I'm telling
Alright.
you, it was the enemy. There's a way
go.
out.
Bob, we gotta
way
go
out.
back to the basement.
Bob,
Oh.
listen to Kelsey. You're near Kelsey. Oh, Christ, isn't an enemy near me again?
How do we get to the basement? How do I stop?
I don't know where the basement exit is.
Oh,
I've never
please
done it.
go away!
Is it this thing?
That fucking bitch. Christ.
Damien, do you know where the basement exit is?
I think I do.
I'm sure it's in the basement.
Bob,
I don't
you're
remember where
playing
exactly,
with
but
me.
it's somewhere
Let-
down there.
Let's start in the basement and then work our way around.
Alright.
I think it should be like near like one of the tunnels.
Yeah, that's what. A tunnel?
Yeah, like
Oh wait, we
Like a
can't
one
get
of the
out of
tunnels.
here. We need a tool.
We can get out upstairs.
Wait,
too if we had a
I
tool.
see it. It's over that way. It's over that direction, where I just looked.
Let's go back down.
I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh, who
Basement.
opened it?
I did. I opened it.
Alright, okay. Bob, I'm gonna open it.
Oh.
Okay. Joe's just on her own. I don't know.
Me and Kelsey had to
Me
split
to-
ways
me
because
to
there was a
save
fucking
Joe.
leather face after
did.
us, okay?
I don't
Need
know
to
my way
save
around this
Joe.
map at all.
Where's Joe? Joe, where are you?
Oh, I'm in the mid.
Okay,
I don't know. I'm in
um,
some grass or something. Okay, I'm scared.
I'm in
Grass
some
is the best
grass.
place to be.
Fuck off that. No, because the
I'm in
enemy's
some
coming for me.
grass.
Bob, since you're Leland, you can actually like knock killers over. So just
Hey,
heads up.
what's this?
Oh, yeah,
If
that's
I
true.
what?
You can,
You
knock
you
them
can knock
over.
them over.
I got a little knife thing
No.
I can shank up.
There's 2 people outside. At least 2 people outside.
All right, here we go.
So if you get outside, it'd be 1. There's at least 2
Down
enemies
here.
out there.
Oh,
Oh, they're
what's
probably.
that?
Oh, it's right here. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't...
Oh shit.
They just found that grandpa to level 1.
Yeah.
Go to the bone room, Joe.
Okay, we
No,
gotta
no,
open
no,
this.
no, no, no,
We
no,
need a
Bob,
fuse
no,
box.
I am
How do
not
we-
going back in.
What?
Bob,
What fuse box? How do you use a fuse
I
box?
am so close to being
No, you
dead.
need an unlock tool.
No, it says you need a... Let me go back up here.
Oh
and check
shit,
this.
no, don't hide in that. Stupid hiding place. Oh, that's nice. Didn't swipe between them and me because I was
Goes outside with a little old man running
Let me
after her.
check.
No, Bob, 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 Bob.
Maybe
I
I'm
don't know where
missing something
you are.
here.
She's at the car.
I went back upstairs.
There's like an uncle near me or something. He keeps checking the car. Oh god, there's Leatherface outside.
Joe's got all of them after her.
I have 2 lockpicks.
Where
They're
did
all
Kelsey
outside.
go?
How do you use the fuse box to open the exit gate? How do you do that?
Kelsey.
You have to match the numbers to
I
where
already
equals
did
the
that.
amount.
I did that already.
I can't move.
Where's
Well,
Kelsey?
Wait, is there
closed.
two?
Uncle's
Wait,
right
wait.
here.
Is there 2 different exit gates?
No, I am.
I don't know.
Run away!
I'm
I'm not
trying.
sure, Kelsey.
To Leatherface!
Okay. I'm
Get
not
back
sure either, I don't know
inside!
what-
though.
Oh, Bob, yeah, because Leatherface ain't right here.
Oh wait, this is open. Who opened this?
Yeah, I opened it.
How did you do that?
I'm coming!
Fuse, one of the few. It was already
So I
like
opened a
required for me to
separate
open
one.
it. So.
Did I open a different one? Is that what I did?
Wait, who escaped? Who escaped? Who escaped?
I did. Me and Bob are out.
Okay, where is the exit?
Okay, it's in the door. Okay, actually it's to
Bob,
your
I
left.
can't because Grandpa's gonna go
So
up.
I need to get down, right? I need to get down in the basement.
Yeah, so if you'll turn around
If you go through there, Joe,
and go back through that little gap in the wall.
how do you know when Grandpa's end is?
Okay. Now get out of
Go,
that area.
go, Joe.
Go, keep going. And then
Oh, I see you down there.
No,
What,
not
down
down
here?
there because that's not open. That's
Yeah,
not open.
down there.
Go through that,
Down-
crawl through there.
Through that crack. Through that crack.
Crawl through there. Okay, now go up in that little garage. To the left.
And downstairs.
Oh, yeah. Follow Joe. Follow Joe. She went the right way. Right through there.
It
Accidentally
might
opened
close.
that.
We'll have to open it.
And then
Go-
straight
go-
down.
go-
Oh,
go through that.
Go, hurry. Just straight through, and then straight to the left.
And then that way. No!
It might
Is
close.
it closed? No.
Alright. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it.
How do you open it? Wait, don't move.
Stay still.
You open it by going like one of the fuse boxes and just flip the switch.
Oh, you just have to like flip it up and down each time
Yeah.
or something. Ooh.
And what I'm guessing is that it stays open to a certain amount of time period.
Okay. See, that's
This
the
is-
one that I did. I did that one.
Oh my god.
Her butt is
Go through
crazy.
here. Go through here. Do
Oh, okay.
This.
No,
got
it's
it.
open! It's open! Run!
I would
Did it
just run,
close?
Damien.
Is it still?
You
Is it
take
still open? Is it still open?
It's
Is it still
still
open?
open, it's still open. Go, Dad,
Okay.
go.
I would just do it. I would just go for it.
I'm going. I'm going.
Quick!
Come on, big booty Julie. Let's go, girl.
Imagine if he just closes on me.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on.
did it.
I'll be right back.
Nice job, guys.
Oh, fucking hell.
I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in
She
the next
said
one. And
nice job like we fucking did anything.
I never make it through. That's like my second time ever being successful. This game is so hard. Ew, sewage exit.
Next man. Yeah, he tried twerking on me again. King time is too large to play. Wait, I got kicked.
Uh oh, I did too.
Hello.
Hello.
What happened?
It like broke. I don't know.
Can you join back, Bob? I got you, baby girl. It's not letting me invite you. Alright, let's start a new game. New lobby. Wait, hold on, let me try again. Yep, new lobby. I'm gonna restart my game real quick.
Text saying remembers to water the plant. I forgot I even had it. I should probably do that.
Hey, look, I got drinks. I got me a drink. I'm drinking tonight a little bit. Kelsey, you get one too.
What are we drinking? I don't even know anything about drinks.
Get yourself a cold one if you know what I mean.
Beer is so gross. Better not be beer.
No, it's not beer.
It's stinky.
It's not beer.
Beer is a bit mank.
It's gross.
The only two beers I like,
Beer
and it's gonna
makes
be
you
ironic,
stupid.
Kelsey. Look, the only beers I like, and it's gonna be ironic, but it's freaking Corona and Modelo.
Dude. I hate it.
Alright, you guys get that?
Sorry, that's not funny. I'm so sorry.
Damn, Kelsey.
Oh my god, Kelsey!
I wasn't expecting him to say that. Hmm. Well, I'm happy you found some alternatives.
Yeah, straight vodka.
Yeah.
He found. He found paint thinner. Is what he found.
Yeah.
Some good bread. Oh my god, there's some good bread. Oh,
Are you alright?
I'm eating bread. It's so good. Oh my god, we need to do a challenge. That's a new code, but like, look, I got a new challenge. Right? Every time you get hit, every time you get hit or killed, you drink.
I don't think you need the game. It just slows them down.
And I'm not drinking beer too. I'm just saying the ones I like. It's ironic because they're Hispanic drinks.
What was the code again?
It's in the party chat.
I can't open because I got the keyboard open.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god, there's some good lasagna. Oh. Yeah, lasagna. You want a piece? Interesting. So you're thinking about me. So you use it on enchiladas. Founding a match was cancelled by a party member.
Oh my god, that's party. Why did I do that?
It's the same code. VU6UV9.
Okay. VU-V6 what 9?
UV9. Also, Kelsey, I'm sending you another queso video.
Okay.
I burped. Yeah, you want to taste it too? Yes, you do. I can see it in your eyes. Oh. Okay, are we waiting for Joe? Tell her to hurry up. Throw a pillow at her.
Oh my god.
That's a
Or
metric.
shock.
Anything but metric.
There's some good bread.
That video is scary.
We want a piece, Bob.
I'm going to get dinner in like 30 something minutes. Okay, by the way.
Alright, so one more game then?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
And then I'll be back on
Right.
later after dinner,
Bob.
and I think we're doing a bonfire or something.
Get freaking Joe back. Close is leaving soon.
What? Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Hey, man, you want some bread?
Is it just plain bread?
It's garlic bread.
Oh.
I take this bonus you get. to spoon you real quick. Sophie!
What?
Sophie!
What?
I'm showing you another video of Case.
Okay.
It's funny. Alright, look at that.
I could hear everything you said outside, you little bitch.
Alright, can I start it? Yes, okay.
What?
What?
So I'm being compared the entire galaxy.
Calm down, Bob.
No, guys, this man again.
Now wasn't enough. A square wasn't enough. Now I'm compared the entire galaxy. Video games have the great.
Oh!
Max, can you stop it?
Kelsey, if
I
he ever
feel
goes
bad
live,
for
I'm
him.
gonna let you know and be watching it.
Okay, I feel so bad for him. It's like roasted, dude. Like,
I
they're
feel
so
like he's gonna
mean.
ban everyone in existence that ever
They're
tries
so
to subscribe to him.
mean. How do you get more skill point things?
I have no idea. I think by leveling up, I think. I don't. Yeah, you're right. I eat. You're next.
You're eating lasagna.
Wow.
We're going out for Mexican food for dinner.
Really? Do you think about me
Yeah.
too?
Yes.
I'm on everyone's
Yes,
mind today,
Bubba.
huh? Not Ryan's though. It's the right Ryan. You hate me.
Hate is such a strong word. More like mild dislike.
Puerto County for a missing University of Texas.
Despise.
The department says
Oh,
Maria
I
Flores,
didn't hear
a
him
native
say
of
it.
Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of
Who are
foul
we gonna
play.
be
Hold
with
on.
this
Authorities are
time, Bob?
hopeful that the expanded search
Who are we being with this
Bubba.
time, Bob?
in Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging any
Yeah.
information regarding her disappearance to please come forward.
Kelsey, we should watch the
Series
first
of home
movie,
invasions
the
throughout
first
Okay.
Texas
County
movie.
have turned
Oh,
into a search
okay,
for
sure.
a known fugitive.
Have you ever
Omar
seen
Like right now.
the Texas Chainsaw Massacre? The one that came out, I think, like,
1967
not that long ago. It was like one of the newer ones. It was really bad. It was
Is it the
called-
3D one?
Yeah, when she finds out
I
she
actually,
raped him.
I've seen bits and pieces of it. I think I've seen the entire movie. I just don't remember because I was young.
Where that guy was a killer,
Whereabouts are
and this was like
Well,
right after
hi.
she learned that she's related to Bubba, she's his cousin.
Yes, yeah, yeah, I remember
You're
that.
saying
I swear
Kels?
we said the booty one.
Joe, not Joe, Bob, you're really close to getting
Officials
touched.
reporting no signs of
Huh?
foul play. Authorities are
You're getting
hopeful
real
that
close to getting
the
touched.
search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth.
Yeah, I would. I'm gonna hear a clap like this.
Oh, we're
I heard no
fucking
sound.
Damien
Hey, why are you
again.
making so much noise? Okay, well, I'm just doing it to them.
I make it.
Who's
Oh, wait,
making
oh
noise?
yeah, because I have noise suppression on.
Oh, I don't want no noise. I don't feel I'm with.
What the hell's going on?
I'm not saying
Which
you,
time?
am I? Don't tell me that.
What's wrong with me?
Don't tell me
I
I'm
opened the
stuck
freaking door.
going on?
Is this you?
Yes.
with... Oh
Shortcut.
no. Yes, Damien,
Hey.
I'm with you.
Without my help, you wouldn't freaking gotten out last round. Freaking meanie.
He likes being a big booty bitch, apparently.
You already know that.
Weird.
Why do you think
You're
he's
just
constantly
jealous.
trying to seduce me?
Alright, we need to unlock the
Ryan
tool
gets in.
for that door. We need a tool.
Not you.
You guys called me.
You try to force me.
You work on the only time.
Prove it. Dude, are we doing the court thing again? Because if we are, you're gonna lose again.
Shut up!
Ooh.
Dude, you just sound just like your regular self on a regular basis. You freaking poopy head. Shut up! Shut up!
This
Shut up!
looks
We need
safe.
to unlock the tool.
It'll help.
We have no
But do you
unlock
want-
tool.
I tell you what, yeah, I reckon.
What do I do with this?
No. I have it unlocked too. I have it unlocked too. Joe, come on,
I
let's go.
can't find one.
Okay, Damien. I'll follow you. Well,
I can't
don't
find
be
it
loud.
unlocked.
Kelsey sit around with you. Oh,
I
probably
haven't
been
left you.
too
I'm
loud.
just looking for a tool. At least honest.
She's laughing at you.
Sorry, sorry.
That's what I mean. Joe's laughing at you.
Alright, I'm going into Leatherface's lair.
I'm gonna open the door. Get out of here.
Oh, Grandpa.
Go, go, go,
What door
go,
did
go.
y'all open?
No, it says keep still. Why are you running, Damien?
She's right there. She's right there. She's
Okay.
kind of cute, but she's right there.
Damien, really? Really, Damien? No, why am I with you?
Where did y'all go?
Wait, do you see the yellow door?
Yeah, is it like kind of higher up?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That one.
Rear basement. Rear basement.
Is it by the lair?
No, she's attacking me.
I don't think so. I don't know. Okay, man. Oh! Oh!
Tomato. It's not him. Oh, but.
Here we go.
I'm gonna fucking die. Oh, he fucking absolutely is after me. Shit! Now I just run into another enemy.
Rear basement. Find the rear basement.
This isn't.
Oh, I need to fucking lock. I need a lock pick. Oh, pick.
Mhm. I don't know.
Oh my god, Sissy is down here with me.
Oh,
Fuck myself.
oh, oh, fucking hell. Oh, but
It's like that. Oh, run away! Please! Oh, what's the kids?
No, my freaking tool broke.
Damien got out. There's no fucking door.
oh no.
Yes, there is.
No, 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 no.
There's a door open. How am I out then, weirdo?
There is no fucking
Weirdo.
There's a door open. Trust.
I'm picking a lock right now.
There's a door, and there is no door.
They probably closed it then. I don't know. Only thing I go, I'm out, man.
I'm opening a door right now.
Where?
In the Leatherface lair. If you find a red room, look in there.
Oh, that was from there.
For fuck's sake. I don't think I'm getting out of this one.
Run away!
My tool broke.
Kelsey, you sound so sad. My
I
tool
am
broke.
sad.
My tool broke. My tool broke.
Kill your
What do I do
colleagues.
now?
Kill your colleagues.
This is
Yeah.
Damien's fault.
How?
Okay.
Bobby, you gonna go to kill your colleagues?
Oh. Got executed.
Bobby, you want to
Bob's-
attend kill your colleagues?
I
Bob
killed
just
Damien.
died. Why? It's not my fault.
Anything will help.
Look at him. Oh, he made it out, did he?
Oh shit.
I think Damien's working fucking Bubba. I think Bubba just let him out because it's working.
Who?
Alright, I'm almost out.
Oh. Oh, fuck. I don't know where to go.
Go to Kelsey.
Wow. You should see that little thing.
yeah.
pop up. That's the door.
The red thing. Go, look for the red thing. Go, look for the red. Look, there. You're right next to it. Right there. Keep going that way. No, Damien got me fucking killed.
I did not get you killed. I never saw you once. You got yourself killed.
Up there, up there, up there.
Alright, I'm out. Are you guys out? Where are you guys at?
I'm out.
Joe's right behind you. Like, she's just going upstairs.
Yes.
Alright, I'm at the back
Is
of the
there
house.
trying to get it up?
The Kelsey can't do anything about that.
What do I do?
Run, Kelsey.
Don't move, don't move.
Hitchhiker.
I'm just stressed out. No!
How?
Exactly.
If you can find your way outside to the front, that's where I'm at.
Out. I'm in the back.
Okay, you need to get to the front.
Oh! It's sitting on me. I'm gonna die. There's no way I can escape.
I
Not
still
gonna
can't
die.
believe they named. I still
This
can't
is bad,
believe that
though.
they got away with naming the fucking air something and kill your. I'm
him
looking
cook.
at the email right now
I'm
about
gonna
corporate
die.
machine.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
I literally am, because I'm highlighted.
You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die.
I am gonna die.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. That's not allowed. Look, Kelsey, find
I
your way
don't know
to
how I lost it.
find your way to the front of the house. Turn off the generator and
I'm
turn off the main.
upstairs.
Okay, get down and out exit to the front door if you can. Because I'm gonna turn off the generator right now. And that generator turns off the one.
Generator's off.
The generator turns off the one at the front gate.
Kill your colleague.
Kill your colleague.
Oh! What's Ryan done to you tonight?
What's the guy's name? Johnny, right? Or
Other
Hitchhiker?
than that,
Yeah.
Well, one of them is at the front. He didn't see me. I'm literally about to escape.
Seriously? No. Hear me in.
Kelsey, go to the front of the house. We've done this before.
Okay, I'm
Driveway,
trying,
driveway,
I'm
driveway, driveway.
Alright.
It's my turn.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, blame the Mexican. Kelsey, look, I'll wait for you at the driveway.
We never.
How do I know which one is the front of the house?
You know the room next to Grandpa? Like one of the
Yeah.
hallways leading upstairs? That right there is like the front door. Get out from there.
I could bust through this window.
Buzz.
If I do that.
No, because then you gotta hurt yourself.
Okay.
Whoa.
You think
I'm
they're in the house?
encouraging.
Huh?
Okay, where? Okay.
Want to see the dirt driveway right past the white truck. So you know just keep on going straight. Yeah.
Okay, is there a truck? Oh! Oh, crap! There's a trap! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Give me, which way do I go? Which way do I go? Which way do I go?
Straight. Dirt. The dirt.
Okay.
Do you
I'm
see
running.
me?
I'm running! Damien!
Do you see me?
Yeah, I see you. Is that you?
Yep, that's me. Let's
that
go.
you? Okay, coming. They're not even chasing me.
Doesn't matter.
Dude.
Just
There
get
you
out.
go.
Just get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm running. I'm running.
Help! Help me! Please!
Okay, they're coming now.
Doesn't matter. You can just escape.
I'm out. I'm outie, boy. Oh, I'm
Oh
gonna
my god! I have to find help!
Kelsey just so chill by a dead armadillo. Look, armadillo!
Bring home Lexus too.
Alright, I know. Alright, I know this house and that exit well enough.
Okay.
Like if we
I
get this
know
house
the other
again,
one a little.
yeah, if we get this house again every time. Yeah, well, Kelsey escaped and I escaped. So whose fault is that really? You died.
Oh, Bubba wasn't even here. He left.
Okay, well, I'm done playing.
Yeah, I gotta go. I'll be back later tonight though.